The Hadza are the last hunter-gatherers on Earth. They survive by hunting wild animals like baboons and antelopes with bows and arrows and packs of hunting dogs. They live life in its rawest form. They gather wild food and live in simple huts made of tree branches and grass, just like our ancestors did hundreds of years ago. This year, I took a bus from Uganda to Tanzania for over 48 hours to come and understand why these people choose to live this way. The Hadza live near the shores of Lake Eyasi in the northern part of Tanzania, and they speak a unique language known as Hadzane, which is made up of clicking sounds.
Ono aya akanabekwa pa anakwetea mogesa
akanabekwa pa anakwetea andane
no aya akanabekwa atanukwa shopo
peking klinata tona kino kweta za bitino ono akanabekwa putu onoko Genesis.
Yes.
Genesis.
Eunice.
You.
Eunice.
No.
I see. So, as part of being accepted by this community, I have to test the local brew, which I'm so hesitant to test because I don't know how strong it is, but just gonna give it a try. So just like the Mundari, the men sit differently from the women. So I've left the men that side. Their afternoons are mainly for them to enjoy the local brew, feeding their dogs and sharpening their bows and arrows in preparation for the next morning's hunt. The last time I tried hunting with this tribe, a lot of things didn't go as planned. You know, it rained, and by now, in case you don't know, when it rains, it messes up with the poisoned arrows and all. You know, it even delayed the time we went out in the field to hunt. A lot of things didn't go as planned. We had hoped for a bigger animal, but we didn't. I mean, we got what we ate, but we could have aimed bigger. So as a person who likes to dream bigger, today we are going back, and hopefully today we get different results. Remember, on this channel, you have to keep an open mind and an open heart.
Kata kanina kote ako usepa no waka kakutsi na bakoko ay ngoko ota bidet na bakoko ay kwatsete ngoko uchanea sekemena tiana ekoma kata kanina kwete ngoko be usepa bakada bakoko hapa ana kwete tukoje.
Second. Kama na hobe achele naye hiyo hata tokota hiyo seme
I'm getting it, yeah. So as you can see, the hair is being burnt off.
Ja, noga fa, toto ko tama na keta be.
utaman ida
Ape, tana.
Mana kita bahaya mana itu? Mana aku bahaya?
kuwa
Selalu aku.
kuwa
Boga be nyanyi deh. Kata kanini ako boko na ta udan usepa ta udan aku tsien dan o kata kain ta na ko chacho uniak aku ta kata ukuna mana ko magija in ko ta ka pe
So guys, I've just had my first taste of the monkey and I don't know what my mouth was expecting, but it actually tastes very nice. It tastes like normal meat, like how you'd eat beef or something. I don't know, I was expecting something new. This is actually something I actually see myself eating every day. So guys, one of these days if I relocate to Tanzania, now you know what will have brought me.
sana